Jesus. Are we there yet?
No. We're not. We haven't even gotten back into Flagstaff yet.
No filming.
You're filming?
Yeah.
This is terribly interesting.
Jesus.
What?
Where did you come from again?
Where did I come from?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
The mountain?
What?
Mountain man?
I'm not doing that right now. I'm not feeling very mountain manish right now.
What do you
I'm
feel?
like going home.
What are you feeling?
Doing laundry. I don't know. It's a Sunday. I gotta go to Bash's and check my schedule. It's probably rigged again.
Why?
Because I probably need to like change it out again. Because there's probably some conflict I have with school or something. They always do that.
Oh yeah?
Yep, sucks. Okay.
That's why they pay you the big bucks.
They don't.
What?
Yeah, they don't. Other stuff.